So today guys, we're gonna review the all-new LC250 Land Cruiser Prado. Let's go! So guys, we just went back here in YouTube obviously, but guys, since the Ceres, this is the next. Kasi parang we're, as I've said, like we're focusing the YouTube more on the car reviews already. So I don't know if it's a good thing or a bad thing, but guys, I just want to share to you guys how we feel with these kinds of cars. So I just still want to share it with you. So now I will be sharing the LC250 Land Cruiser Prado. So guys, exterior muna tayo as usual. I know not a lot of people love the front of this kasi syempre nilabas din sa States yung round eye. Pero guys, this is nice. I mean, I'm not saying it's super duper duper perfect, but it's nice guys. Look at those headlights. I really love the headlights to be honest. And then I love this fog lights too. And the good thing about here in the front is this. Type ko to, itong butas na to. I really like it. So yun, it's like a small quirky stuff. And then I'll be honest, ang unang-unang gagawin ko if I have the Prado is change the grille. I just want to change the grille to a different one. But guys, this looks decent. It's very decent. Kasi akin parang feeling ko ito yung Prado na medyo classy spec compared dun sa round headlight na very very retro. So ngayon, I like this. Actually, this is very super contrasting, like the car, itong gray part na to. So I might paint some of the parts here to gray para at least mag-contrast sila. So in the front, obviously, it's very nice. Ito siya. And then on the side, I mean, to be honest, nahabaan ako sa hood niya, by the way. Sobrang haba ng hood niya. As in, look at this. That big. So yep. And then the wheels are 20-inch, guys. Like these are huge. It's running on Dunlop 265 60-20, guys. Ang laki ng wheel well niya. So, tansya ko pwede ka mag-22 dito. And then the arches here. The step bar is very, very OEM and I like it. At the back, going to this part, the side view, guys. Ito yung side view niya. May roof rail siya. It's very boxy at the back. Ito, sobrang boxy siya for me. And I like it. Don't get me wrong, I like it. Tapos pansin ko lang, yung mga bagong kotse ngayon, ang lalaki na ng gas cap. Tignan niyo to. More than one dangkal to. Ang laki na ito, boy. So yun, the suspension system is very good. I really love it. And by the way, the side mirrors, ganda nito. Very retro feels. Kasi pag galing ka sa loob, it's very square. So I like it. Tapos may mga sensors din siya. And this one, look at this. It's very, alam mo yun, pinagsama niya yung being classy and being retro. So yun, here it is at the back. So here's the back part of the car. And the taillight, I love the back part by the way. Sobrang love ko yung likod niya kasi it's very, very, again, retro. Which is for me, I'm happy with it. Yung iba hindi nila type, pero kanya-kanyang taste tayo. And by the way, sobrang blacked out siya by the way. Yung wheels is black. The Land Cruiser badging is black. Toyota's black. Everything's black except for that Prado. And then this one, I think this is the third brake light and I like how it looks kasi sobrang cute niya lang dyan sa likod and doon wala siya. So I think it's a third brake light. And again, yung gunmetal finish at the back, it complements the car, especially if it's black. So yan. And sa likod naman, ito, signature naman to ng Prado, which you can open the back glass like this. So yep. And then you'll be having an automatic tailgate. So yan, automatic tailgate na siya. Medyo marami lang gamit kasi nandyan yung mga gamit. And it has a third row seat that you can use here via pressing these buttons, obviously. So yun, hindi lang super laki, I'm pretty sure. Tapos these are the toolboxes and also, there you go. And then, going to the side again, ganda talaga ng taillight, guys. And tsaka may ganito pala siya, may plastic na siya dito. So if ever, hindi ka makakagasgas lagi ng bumper. So here, ito siyempre para splash guard, mud guard is really good. Ganda talaga ng side profile niya, bros. I mean, I like how it looks on the side, especially the side mirror. Tapos may malaking plastic part siya dito for the wiper cowls and everything. And it's fine. I mean, if you want to make it very rugged, it's fine. It's gonna be nice too. So yun, exterior part overall, this is the look. So sink it in, guys. I really hope you like it because it's kind of expensive. So yun, going to the interior. Let's go. Going to the interior, guys. I mean, it's very simple, yet I like it. I really love it. I mean, di naman sobrang ganda lagi ang interior ng Toyota. Let's be honest with that. But this Prado gives so much better interior compared to other Toyota cars. So first, the steering wheel, I love it. Unang-una, sobrang love na love ko talaga to because of this. It says Toyota right there. It's not the normal Toyota logo. And then, hindi na siya generic na steering wheel na pare-parehas. This is a new design already. And obviously, I like it too. The leather material here is good. The establishing here is really nice then. And the sidings, you'll be having a leather here and then leather here. And like the buttons right here, very flushed. So you'll be having an automatic high beam. You'll be having like the sensors at the back. Then yung, of course, yung brightness ng gauge is there. Then headlight washer, yung trunk opener nandyan din. So everything's there already. And then for the headlight controls, you'll be having this. And of course, you'll be having a digital gauge right there. And that you can actually control by using all of these buttons. And actually, hindi ko pa masyadong kinakalikot. And ayokong kalikutin kasi baka, wala lang. Gusto ko akong kalikutin mamaya. Yun. And then this is for the cruise control and for the radio controls. So guys, by the way, yung radio niya, yung infotainment niya is a new interface na. As in, naninibago ko kasi ang ganda na nung interface niya na hindi yan Toyota. Toyota doesn't give you that good of an interface. So right now, that's a really nice head unit for me that is stock from Toyota. So yun. I like how flush these AC vents looks. I mean, nandyan lang siya. Tapos yung buttons mo for the AC are all here. I love it kasi hindi pa rin nila tinanggal. Hindi nila nilagay sa head unit. So I love these buttons. I am a huge fan of physical buttons for the AC, guys. And then push start button is right there. And then you'll be having a wireless charging port right here. You'll be having, ito, to be honest, it's kind of weird that it's here for the audio control, but it's fine. Ay, wala na rin masyadong gumagamit yan but it's there. You'll be having a 360 camera, by the way, if you press this, the view. And then you'll be having the drive mode right here. So mode select, by the way, you can use this Eco. It has Eco, Comfort, Normal, Sports S, Sports Plus, and a custom. So all are there. So you have an interactive gauge right there. And then crawl control, MTS is right here. Parking brake is right here. Hold, diff lock, what do you call this? Traction control. And H4, L4 button are right here. Okay, bakit may remote? Bakit may remote na kasama? Hindi to remote ng bahay ko, guys. This is the remote for this. So you'll be having an infotainment also at the back. So later I'll let you guys see. You'll be having pampalamig ng puwet right here, pampainit ng puwet right here, which a lot of people love, including me. And right here you'll be having a armrest which doubles as a cool box. So that's good, diba? Para at least kung meron ka mga water that you want to keep it cool, you'll be having it right there. And then the seats are leather and it's gorgeous. I love it. Sobrang solid din. And then you'll be having a lining right here. Glove box light right here. Tapos actually yung vent niya right here, sobrang type ko. Gustong-gusto ko yung vent niya kasi it's very circle lang, simple and all. Tapos, uy, lamig na aircon. Lamig talaga ng aircon. 24 lang. Kanina ko pa sinasabi. And you'll be having a rear view mirror right here that doubles as a camera. So, may camera ka na nakatutok na sa likod. That's really nice. And then, touch lang to, guys. Gusto ko to. Parang Lexus na. You'll be touching this lang. Ang premium na ng Toyota, sa totoo lang. And of course, a sunroof right here that you can actually close and open. So you can tilt it up, open it, I mean for the sunroof. So it's all right there. Going to the back. So, punta tayo sa likod. So we're at the back and I'll be honest, it's not the best. Kasi sinagad ko sa atras yung front seat and this is my legroom right now. I mean, hindi sobrang laki talaga. As in, tumatama na siya. Pero sagad to pa atras, guys. My driving position, I'm 5'11". My driving position is way up front naman. Kasi medyo maluwag naman yung front niya. So, you'll be having a Land Cruiser badging right here. A lot of controls and pampalamig ulit ng puwet saka pampainit, which I love kasi meron rin dito sa likod. And 2 charging ports right here. And by the way, it has wireless CarPlay. I forgot to tell you, it has wireless CarPlay. In-off ko lang sa phone because I'm doing video. So may HDMI port sa dito. Why? Kasi para dito. This is what I'm talking about. You'll be having a TV, kaya may remote. So yun, if you put the HDMI, you'll be having a TV. And then, feeling ko nga pwede ko mag-PlayStation eh. So yun, pwede, may armrest ka rin dito with 2 cup holders. There's a lot more cup holders and at the sides. And guys, gustong-gusto ko yung mga ambient lighting na ganito, which they all have. I love it. Sobrang solid nung ambient lighting na yan. So, the sidings is very simple. This is the 3rd row and you can put it up and everything. So, guys, this is the interior of the LC250. I mean, it's fine. I mean, medyo, let's be honest, this is not an LC300. So if you want to compare it to an LC300, it's not comparable in my opinion because it's not an LC300. So it's a Prado. If you buy a Prado, sometimes people have an LC and a Prado in their family. This is yung mga kotse yung pwede mong gamitin on a daily basis kasi hindi siya sobrang laki. And you'll be having comfort, you'll be having a lot of stuff. So this is it. So now I'll let you guys see the engine bay. Let's go. So this is the engine bay. It's a 2.4 turbocharged engine, petrol gas. Hindi yan diesel guys ha, hindi nga yan diesel. So this is a gasoline engine car. And this is the engine bay. It's really packed. I don't know why, but it's really packed right there. And the best thing about this part is the hood. Kasi ang gaan nung hood niya guys. I don't know why, pero nung binuhat ko, sobrang gaan nung hood. So yep. This is the overall look of the LC250, the 2024 Land Cruiser Prado. This is priced around 4.8. So if you want one, obviously it's hard to get, but guys, kung makakuha ka ng SRP, this is the car. But if not, pag nasa 6 plus, if you ask me, that's kind of expensive. But syempre, depende pa rin sa gusto nyo and preference nyo. But guys, that's the overall 360 view of the Land Cruiser Prado. Let's go with Driving with Banawe Boy segment. Let's go! So hi guys, this is Driving with Banawe Boy with the LC250 Prado. And I want to give you some inputs about it. I mean, the driving feels is very Prado. I mean, we've owned my brother owns a LC150, the 2014 Prado, for quite some time already. It's a V6, so yun yung ginagamit niya. I sometimes get to borrow it and use it. And with this is the 2.4 liter turbocharged engine. Actually guys, it feels very good. The engine feels very good. Why? Kasi alam mo, ako naniniwala ako sa mindset na yung mga modern engine ngayon, they make it smaller and smaller and smaller, but more efficient, more powerful, and that's the innovation right now. Kumbaga, lahat ng mga makina ngayon talagang pinapaliit nila. Remember the GR Yaris? I mean, 3-cylinder but does really well. So feeling ko lahat ng mga kotse ngayon, especially Toyota, is focusing on downsizing their engine and somehow making it more powerful because of innovation and technology. So guys, the engine of this car is ample for the car, and to be honest, I mean, what it feels like right now, especially the ride comfort, is really good. But don't get me wrong, it's not as comparable as to an LC300. I mean, mas masarap pa rin talaga ang Land Cruiser because the suspensions are way better for me. The ride comfort is really good compared to this one. But this is not bad, guys. Don't get me wrong. This is not bad. But the good thing about this car is the interior, guys. I love the interior.
I super duper love the interior. I mean, it's very, paano ba? Rugged in the middle of rugged and being classy. So, I really like it. So, ito, medyo bigyan natin siya. So, ayan o. May konting sandal naman siya and you can hear the turbo. Tapos, nasa taas yung power niya. I can feel kasi turbo eh. So, syempre, inaantay niya mag-kick in yung turbo. And if it kicks in, it gives you an ample amount of power and even more. So, I'm really happy with the technology of this Prado. And, guys, yung interior lang talaga. Ito yung mabibenta ko sa'yo any time of the day because it's really nice. Sabi ko nga, parang it's so not Toyota for me. Kasi parang lahat na nandito is, even the infotainment is very new for me. Kasi hindi nito yung usual Toyota AVT. Alam mo yun? Tapos there's a lot more things inside. And to be honest, especially this one by the way, I really love the Toyota writing in the steering wheel. So sobrang solid nun. So yun guys, it has an HUD by the way. With driving this, I mean, I can share to you that it's a good car. I would definitely not say it's not worth it, but I would say that it's worth it. I mean, it's a Prado, guys. Who doesn't love a Prado? Who doesn't love a Land Cruiser? Diba? So yun. So guys, thank you for watching this vlog. I mean, lately lang tayo ulit bumalik ng YouTube, but guys, thank you for watching. I mean, we're trying to focus more on reviews here in YouTube. Not the best reviewer, but I can give you my actual experience with these kinds of cars. So yun guys, see you guys soon. Please feel free to subscribe here on YouTube. Please do press that subscribe button right there and like this video. And of course, follow me on all of our social media accounts. TikTok, Instagram, Facebook page. It's Banawe Boy. No space, guys. Bye!